How Pakistani fighter jets' tactics won the final battle. At dawn on May 7, 2025, against the backdrop of military skirmishes between India and Pakistan. The world was shocked by the news that Pakistani fighter jets had shot down 5 Indian fighter jets. The entire world wondered how Pakistan was able to win, despite the theoretical superiority of advanced Indian fighter jets. Today, we will discuss the clever tactics employed by Pakistani fighters to overcome the technological superiority of Indian aircraft. First, we will discuss the Indian Air Formation, consisting of the Falcon Command and Control aircraft, the ALW-2090. This is an early warning aircraft with a detection range of up to 500 kilometers. Its mission is not to fight, but rather to track targets, manage the battlefield, and direct Indian fighters toward Pakistani fighters. The rest of the terrifying Indian Air Formation consists of heavy fighters, such as the Su-30, and multi-role fighters, such as the Rafale and MiG-29. The Pakistani Air Formation is the smartest and most integrated. The backbone was based on 2 Chinese fighters, the JF-17 and the J-10C, with the rearmost ones, early warning and command aircraft such as the Saab 2000. The Pakistani plan was based on a calculated lure of Indian fighters into a meticulously prepared ambush. They were prepared and awaited the enemy Indian fighters by monitoring their departure early. Once the Indian aircraft were spotted, taking off from their bases, the Pakistani fighters began moving quickly to reach the pre-planned ambush points. The Pakistani Air Force's tactics effectively exploited the limitations of India's radar visibility. Pakistan has a good understanding of the capabilities of Indian early warning aircraft, which can detect any aircraft from a range of up to 500 kilometers, but only if the aircraft are at a high altitude and in open air. This means that if the Pakistani fighter is at a low altitude of 100 or 200 meters and hidden in the terrain of the Kashmir Mountains, Indian radar cannot detect it. Pakistani aircraft entered the scene from below the visual range of Indian radars, exploiting the vulnerability of Indian early warning aircraft. The Pakistani fighters flew very low, taking cover in the terrain of the Kashmir Mountains. This was the first deception the